This photograph shows a rubber balloon tightly packed inside a flask. How was it put there? The trick, of course, was by using air pressure. A small amount of water is poured into the flask and heated intensely from the bottom. The water starts to boil and steam gushes out. We cover the mouth of the flask with a rubber balloon, and it starts to expand. The gas burner is removed at the same time, and the flask is cooled with water. Let's see what happens. How does this trick work? First, the steam from the boiling water pushes out the air in the flask. The flask soon becomes full of steam. At this moment, we put the rubber balloon on the mouth of the flask. The balloon expands with steam emitted forcibly from the flask. Then the flask is cooled with water. The steam becomes water again, but the volume of the water is much smaller than the volume of the steam. The air pressure falls by an equivalent amount. In other words, the inside of the flask loses almost all of its gases. It becomes a virtual vacuum. As a result, the balloon is pushed inside the flask by the outside air pressure and is pinned to the sides. The air pressure which pushed the rubber balloon into the flask is called the atmospheric pressure. But it is difficult to understand the strength of the pressure this way.